Hello everyone, in this video I will show you the Yelp Web Scraper tool. Help you to extract business lead automatically from Yelp. First, install the Yelp Web Scraper tool from the Chrome Web Store. Here, click here install from Chrome Web Store and add the extension to your browser. Add to Chrome and add extension. You will see our tool screen like this. Now open the yelp.com and search your business keyword, location like restaurant New York, digital marketing agency in London. Here the keyword and location. Also option to apply the filter, rating, category, distance, then copy the URL and paste in our tool in URL box like this. Now start the process. You can see here the tool will open the Yelp page and scroll the data, and data will be automatically one by one scraped. You can see here data progress, name, address, mobile number, link, rating, review, and many more. You can see here will all progress data. When the process complete or stop, the data will be automatically downloaded in the CSV file. Here also showing the number of count and process count. You can see here the total 11 data. Now I can stop. The CSV here downloaded automatically and data will be show here. That's all, fast, simple, and no manual copying required. Thanks for watching.